Good morning, guys. This is Kevin from Rapid Restore. We're here at Melville, New York. We got a phone call from this customer. He was fixing his roof so many times, putting layovers one on top of the other, and that's not gonna resolve the problem because sometimes you got a leak, you have like wood is rotted and you still putting layers one on top of the other. That's not the way to fix a roof. As you guys can see, everything was rotted. He was so many patches fixing here, there, and he got a pretty good amount of wood that we gotta replace. And we already finished stripping off 2 layers of shingles. We have some plywood that's rotted, but it's gonna be replaced. We're gonna keep you guys posted and continue how the project is going. This is a quick update of how we do it. We already ripped off the layers of shingles. We already replaced a bunch of plywood that it was rotted. We already installed underlayment. We already installed ice and water shield. We have the mechanicals installing the shingles so far on this side, and we have more mechanicals on this side working in the chimney. The major leak it was here. The water was getting stuck in the chimney because they didn't have a cricket and it was not installed properly. So what we did in here is we installed a cricket, so water is gonna be divided on both sides. It's not gonna be stuck in the chimney anymore. And we're installing a new step flashing, new aluminum capping, as we always do in every single job that we do. And this is the final result of this project. After a long day, this is how beautiful this roof looks like. One of the advantages to work with Rapid Restore is we like to be clear, transparency. We work with a full fidelity that you can have pictures in real time about your project so you can trust and see what's going on in your house. We like to be clear and get the thing done right. Anything you need, we're here. If you're looking to get a nice roof by the right price, call the number down below, Rapid Restore.